Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a best friend does my voiceover. I'm the best friend. My name is Destiny. So I'm going to be explaining what's going on. She has this yellow shade. She's placing this in the crease. You can't even see it. Alright, just blend. We're blending. Still blending. So as you can see, she is building color. So she's probably adding more and more yellow to make the yellow more prominent in the look. So yeah. Okay, so now we have a black brush. She's probably a MAC 423,000. She's getting like a greeny color. It's kind of like a leprechaun on St. Patty's Day. We're putting that on the outer part and like the middle a little bit, and we're just gonna blend. We're probably gonna build on this color as well. Now it kind of looks like a infection pea color, but that's kind of what you're going for. Don't be alarmed. We're still blending, I think. I mean, yeah, building color. Keep going. Okay, so we're still blending. Now we're gonna go for a bluish color, like a teal blue, and we're gonna put this on the outer edge, like the very outer, and kind of bring it in a little bit. We're still doing like the bottom part of the crease, basically. I'm guessing this is like a what's it called? A gradual cut crease. So probably not cut at all. It's kind of like a butter knife cut, you know what I mean? So we're going to just keep blending with that. We're just blending, man. Blending and building. All right, do that. So we're still blending. This part low-key boring, but you're just supposed to blend, and she's just trying to show y'all that blending is really important. And if you don't blend, your look gonna look ugly. So just keep blending, man. Keep blending, man. Okay, so now we're gonna pick a white brush. This is probably our MAC 2.643. We're gonna use a blue, and we're putting that on the lid, tagging that on there. We're gonna build and blend, ladies. Build. And gentlemen, you know, I'm not assuming nobody's gender. We're just blending and building here. Alright, we're still blending. We are still blending. Okay. Ooh, she about ugly as hell. Thumbs up, great job. You're really gonna take this focusing. I don't even BH liquid eyeliner. It stands for beautiful. Beautiful, I don't know, forget about it. So now we're just doing some black eyeliner. Take your time. I know Shelby isn't that good at eyeliner, so this is interesting. I'm just shading her right now. Let's see, you're gonna go for the wing? Nope, no wing. And now remove your tape. Boom. Look at that. What a look. What a look. So, removing the tape. You only got that much, what's it called? When the eyeshadow fall down. Fall out. Yeah, we don't got a lot of that. Now we're taking some foundation. Her color is Be Colorful Brown. I was too busy thinking about fallout. Anyway, you're going to be placing some dots on your face. I never understood how people could put foundation on after they do their eyeshadow, but it don't make sense because I'm just stupid. Alright, so we just kind of put this everywhere. She put a whole lot on, it looked like. But I don't know, y'all, I want y'all to know that I haven't did makeup before. I haven't done my own makeup before, ever. I don't even own mascara, so I don't know why I'm doing this. Anyway, we're taking a white MAC 742 foundation brush, and we're just putting this all over. So we're just we're kind of going like a stab and drag motion. So kind of do that. Do the lip thing too. I guess you gotta do that too. Make sure you don't get on your lips. So yeah, just stab and drag, stab and drag, stab and drag. All right, now we're taking a Becca concealer. Is that Becca? Oh, Becca. Just look really light. White like, what's white? Crack? I mean,
peanut butter and crack.
So we're doing with our ring finger, because it's our most delicate finger, I guess. So we're just dapping that underneath the eye. Make sure you look up to the sky. Ooh. Hey, well, while I'm here, subscribe to my YouTube channel. She's probably gonna cut that. Okay, but now we're putting more concealer on and like line formation. And wait, it's not line no more, it's actually solid now. Why we putting, I don't know why we're putting on more concealer. I don't know the purpose behind it, but just do that shit. Am I allowed to curse? Shrug. Also, Shelby's laptop is overheating on my lap. Okay, now we're taking a e.l.f. Angled brush. Nope, it's not angled. Concealer brush, hopefully. And we're still kind of going with that. What's that motion called? I'm calling it a little bit of a this looks like a dabbing motion. A dab motion. But I don't know. Yeah. Just more concealer action. Okay, so now we're taking a beauty blender and we're just gonna beauty it on our face. Booty bumping. Here it goes. on our face. Now we're gonna be, okay, stop. What? I don't know what that was. Now we're taking some I don't know, but that I think I've used this powder, and I think this is not the powder that smell really good, but one of these powders. Anyway, she's placing this on her face. I guess you could say she's baking at 350 degrees. Take them out when they golden around the edges, hunty. So we're doing that. How do you say the word? Sakaha? Oh, I guess it is how you spell Sasha sometimes. Anyway. Now we're taking a royal purple color and we're placing this on the royal purple, and we're placing that on the bottom lash line. This is just for a little pop of color, just to show the girls like, hey, this is what it is, this is what's up, you already know what's going on, it's a thing, honey. And we're also going to be bringing this up, so this is going to be our wing. Y'all thought it was going to be black, but no, it's purple. I don't know how she's doing that. I don't understand. But that's a look. Alright, now we're going to be brushing off that powder. It's not really blending in the corner, so she's trying to force it, but hopefully she fixes that later. Or bring her weave down. Anyway. Just brushing everywhere. Brushing everywhere. That's an ugly face she was making. Now we're taking this, it kind of looked like blush, but I'm confused. Maybe it's bronzer. I don't know. She's not smiling, so I'm assuming it's bronzer. So we could go with bronzer. She's bronzing her face right now. Kind of bringing some more, you know, color into her face, especially with that foundation. Made her face look flat, but now she's bringing life back into it. So now she's going to be defining her jawline and applying bronzer to her cheekbones to, you know, I don't know, frame her face, I guess. So yeah, she's kind of going in circular motions. Now she's taking F blush palette, and she's going to be taking bottom right. And here's the blush, but she not even, oh, there goes the smile. That's the only time she'll be ever smiles, is when she's applying blush. And she's not even smiling for real, she's smirking at y'all. Anyway. She's applying a little bit more blush. She want to be rosy red for you. Now she's taking some NYX glitter and some more NYX glitter glue, and she's going to be applying that in the corner with the bottom of, is that the bottom of a, I don't got my glasses on, I think a brush, or the bottom of a brush, just for, like, you know, a brighten her eyes up a little bit, give the illusion of an open eye, like a big eye. She's now taking a bigger brush a little bit and applying more glitter just for the bigger pop. It's looking really good. And she's kind of dragging it out a little bit. Cute. Now we're taking some NYX lip liner, and we're going to be, no, we used it already. Now we're taking a lip gloss and applying that. We're gonna set it all with some MAC setting spray. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment down below if you guys want more Destiny, and most importantly, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a post, and we will see you soon. Oh, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!
I'ma give you what you want. I'ma pull up with that good.